Hi all, quick follow up to my last video on the budget table saw fence upgrade. Quickly, if you remember the last time, the original fence came to what here, 3/4 of the way down the table, and it tended to wander a little bit on the cuts. So what I decided to do, I decided to go for a steel fence as opposed to a timber fence. Every piece of timber that I looked at had a slight defect, slight bow, and I thought it may be subject to humidity changes. So just, like I say, I decided to go for the steel. So basically what I've done, I've got some box section, or rectangular box section. It's quite heavy gauge, it's about 3mm thick. I've drilled out the existing fence bracket to 10mm. I've cut a slot out in the steel to slide the bolts down, through and across. Just see if we can camera focus on that for you. So you can see I've cut a slot in there to slide those bolts down to clamp that to the existing aluminium section. That's given me a really strong fence. If we go down to the edge, I've drove a piece of timber into the back there to give like an interference fit, and then I've screwed a toggle clamp onto the end to enable me to clamp it. So all I have to do is clamp the fence at this end, slide the fence, clamp the fence at this end, go to the back, clamp the fence with the toggle clamp at the far side, and there is absolutely no movement in that at all, guys. That is a good solid fence, so quite pleased with that. I've kept to the same height as the existing fence, so I've not got any higher or any lower. It's made a really solid fence. So if there's anybody, if this video is any help to anybody out there thinking of upgrading, modifying the fence, I'd appreciate it if you could please like and subscribe, and I'd just like to say thank you for watching.